Good morning. You're watching the Australian Share Market Outlook on Wednesday, the 6th of May. I'm Lel Smits for the Finance News Network. The Australian share market is set to drop after global markets fell overnight amid renewed concerns about Greece's debt load. US stocks steadily declined as America's trade deficit widened to a 6-year high, while the Institute for Supply Management Services sector index grew last month. Closer to home, retail trade data is due this morning, and trading updates are expected from Commonwealth Bank and Woolworths. Shareholder meetings will be held for BHP Billiton, APN News and Media, and also Sigma Pharmaceuticals. Now, recapping global markets, Wall Street closed at session lows yesterday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average sank 0.8% to close at 17,928. The S&P 500 tumbled 1.2% to close at 2,089, and the Nasdaq tumbled 1.6% to close at 4,939. European markets moved lower on Tuesday. London's FTSE 100 fell 0.8%, France's CAC 40 lost 2.1%, and Germany's DAX retreated 2.5%. Asian markets ended mixed yesterday. Japan's Nikkei added 0.1%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 1.3%, and China's Shanghai Composite declined 4%. The Australian share market retreated to finish in the red after the Reserve Bank of Australia cut rates to a record low yesterday. The S&P ASX 200 index closed 1 point lower at 5,827 on Tuesday. And on the futures market, the SPI is currently 50 points lower. Looking at currencies, the Australian dollar at 7:30 a.m. was buying 79.45 US cents, 52.35 pence sterling, 95.24 yen, and 71.05 euro cents. To economic news due out today from the ABS, we can expect retail trade data for March. Now, making company news, BHP Billiton shareholders will today cast their vote on the company's proposed $15 billion spin-off named South32. Shareholders are expected to back the diversified mining giant's plans to demerge the assets into a new entity. South32 is tipped to become one of Australia's top 20 companies and the third largest miner after BHP and rival miner Rio Tinto. Shares in BHP Billiton dropped 2.37% to close at $32.56 on Tuesday. Commonwealth Bank of Australia will today release its March quarter update. In the same week, its rivals' results have received mixed responses. Shares in ANZ rose yesterday after reporting better than expected first half cash profit growth of 5%, while shares in Westpac dropped over the prior session after posting flat cash earnings over the same period. Shares in Commonwealth Bank of Australia rose 0.15% to close at $88.14 on Tuesday. Now to ex-dividends, and the three companies trading ex-dividend today include Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, Henderson Group, and also Sunland Group. Finally, to commodities, the price of gold has gained $6.40 to $1,193 an ounce for the June contract on COMEX. Silver has risen 14 cents to $16.58 for July. Copper has lifted 1 cent to $2.94 a pound. The price of oil has added $1.47 to $60.40 a barrel for June light crude in New York. Thank you for watching the Australian Share Market Outlook on Wednesday, the 6th of May. I'm Lel Smits for the Finance News Network. Have a lovely day.